I cried on the PA on the airplane today. Hey crew, for the first time in 20 years, my parents are coming with me on the trip and we are headed to Hawaii.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, we're about 30 minutes from landing at Lahui. Gonna put us on the ground right at 2 o'clock local time, and into the gate just a couple minutes ahead of schedule. A beautiful day. There's a few scattered clouds. Temperature's currently 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, in just a few days, it's going to be my 20-year anniversary of being an airline pilot. And today, for the first time in my career, my parents are joining me on my trip. So just wanted to publicly say thank you to them for supporting me when I was just a 14-year-old kid who dreamed of being an airline pilot. Because I wouldn't be sitting up here today without them sitting behind me. Thank you again for joining us. We'll see you on the ground shortly.
I cried on the PA on the airplane today. It was just super emotional having my parents there for the first time in 20 years as a pilot, and I don't know, I'm super thankful for them. So we are gonna go grab dinner, and then tomorrow we have something really fun planned. See you then. Well, the nice part about bringing your parents on a layover is that they pay for the adventures. So we are off underway with Blue Dolphin Charters for a sunset cruise of the Nepali coast. Cheers. Had a lot of great layovers in my career, but I can't think of a better one than bringing my family to One of the most beautiful places in the world. You guys like it?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, thanks for joining us. See you in the next one.